Basic statistic. What is statistic? Statistic is science of collecting, analyzing, presenting and interpreting data. Then second one is central tendency. What is the central tendency? Central tendency is descriptive summary of a data set through a single value that reflects the center of the data distribution. Then we have to know about central tendency measurement. That is the critical part of the statistic. What are the central tendency measurement? Mean, median, mode, measure of dispersion, under measure of dispersion, standard deviation, percentile and interquartile ranges are very important parts. Then mean. What is the mean? Mean is average value of the data set. Then our data set is x1, x2, x3 and xn. Then mean equal, we can represent mean as x bar equal x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and xn minus 1 plus xn. How many occurrences here? Here n occurrences. Then we can divide this summation n. Then mean we can represent capital X bar equal summation xn minus xn divided by n. It means like this. N samanai n equal 1 to n xn divided by n. This also this one. Then median. Second central tendency measurement is median. So what is the median? Median is middle value of the data set. Again we can take our data set x1, x2, x3, xn. N is number of occurrences. Then this number of occurrences are even number. We can write median equal n divided by observation. It means value of n divided by observation. Then n equal odd number, we can write median equal n plus 1 divided by 2 observation. It means n plus 1 over 2 value of the observation. Then third one is mode. What is the mode? Mode is most frequently occurring observation. Let we have take our data set as x1, x2, x2, x2 again, and here 3 x2s, then x3 again x2 and p xn likewise we can write. Then therefore mode equal x2. Here 2 x2 and here 1 x2. Then x2 we have in here this that instant in occurred 4 times occurred. So we can write as a mode x2. Then take measure of dispersion. Then another point is measure of dispersion. Under measure of dispersion, quartiles and percentiles are very important. Then data set is ordered. We have to take data set in ordered data set. Then 1 over 4th, it means quarterly. Quarterly number of 1 over 4th quarter and 2 over 4th number, 3 over 4th number, like that. There are our quartiles. It means then we can write it quartile qi equal I times n plus 1 divided by 4th observation. Here I equal 1, 2, 3. This 1, 1, 2, 3. Here. Then also 4 is 4 mean it's we can take this. This is the sample. Then we can take like that. This is 1 over 4th. Then again 1 over 2. 2 over 1 over 4th, 2 over 4th, 2 over 4th and 3 over 4th like this. Okay, then percentile. We can represent the percentile in pk. Then pk equal k times n plus 1 divided by 100. We take percentile, percentage at observation. Then k equal 25, 50, 75. Okay, it's like 25 is 100. 25 over 100 mean 1 over 4. Then and likewise 50 over 100 it mean like this 2 over 4 or 1 over 2. Then 75 again 3 over 4. So we can write relationship between quartiles and percentiles. How to write that? Q1 equal P25, Q2 equal P15, Q3 equal P75. Thank you.